The secret psychology of eye contact control. Without words, there's a weapon so powerful that it can establish dominance, create attraction, intimidate opponents, and command respect without you ever speaking a single word. This weapon is always with you, costs nothing to use, and when mastered, gives you control over almost any social interaction. This weapon is your eye contact. Today, we're going to explore the hidden psychology of eye contact, why most people use this tool incorrectly, and how to master the subtle art of visual dominance that separates those who control conversations from those who are controlled by them. The neuroscience of eye contact. Eye contact triggers powerful neurological responses that most people never understand. When someone looks directly into your eyes, it activates the amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for threat detection and social evaluation. This ancient response system instantly assesses whether the person looking at you is friend or foe, superior or subordinate, confident or insecure. These assessments happen in milliseconds and influence every subsequent interaction. The person who controls eye contact dynamics controls these unconscious assessments. They can make others see them as confident, trustworthy, dominant, or mysterious simply through strategic use of their gaze. Most people give away this power unconsciously. They look away when they should hold contact, stare when they should withdraw, and miss the subtle opportunities to establish psychological advantage through their eyes. The three types of eye contact. There are three distinct types of eye contact, each serving different psychological purposes. Understanding and mastering all three gives you complete control over how others perceive and respond to you. Assertive eye contact is direct, sustained, confident eye contact that establishes dominance and commands respect. It communicates that you're comfortable being seen and evaluated, and equally comfortable seeing and evaluating others. Engaging eye contact is warm, inviting eye contact that creates connection and rapport. It's slightly softer than assertive contact, but equally confident. This type builds trust and makes others feel valued and understood. Analytical eye contact is the observational gaze that reads others without revealing your own thoughts. It's the eye contact of someone who is studying and gathering information, rather than trying to connect or dominate. Analytical eye contact can be unsettling because others can sense they're being assessed but can't read your conclusions. This creates psychological pressure that often causes people to reveal more than they intended. Strategic eye contact patterns. Real mastery comes from strategically shifting between types based on your objectives and the other person's responses. Starting conversations with engaging eye contact creates warmth and openness. Shifting to analytical contact. When someone says something questionable, communicates skepticism without words. Moving to assertive contact when making important points ensures your message carries weight. These shifts must be subtle and natural. Dramatic changes appear manipulative and destroy trust. The goal is influencing unconscious responses, not creating obvious discomfort. The timing is crucial. Moving to assertive contact just before making a key point amplifies its impact. Shifting to analytical contact. When someone is being evasive, often prompts them to provide more honest information. Reading others through their eye contact while using strategic eye contact to influence others. You can simultaneously read their patterns to understand their psychological state and intentions. People who avoid eye contact are usually insecure, hiding something, or feeling overwhelmed. Those who stare aggressively are often overcompensating for feelings of powerlessness. People with natural, confident eye contact are typically secure and authentic. Watch for changes in eye contact patterns during conversations. When someone suddenly breaks eye contact after being comfortable, they may have just lied or revealed something they're uncomfortable about. Shifty eyes or constantly breaking contact suggests anxiety, dishonesty, or lack of confidence in what they're saying. The intimidation factor, one of the most powerful applications, is psychological intimidation without aggression. This doesn't mean staring people down or trying to make them uncomfortable. It means using eye contact to establish that you're someone who should be taken seriously. This type of intimidation comes from unbreakable composure. When someone tries to intimidate, manipulate, or pressure you, maintaining steady, calm eye contact while they become agitated demonstrates superior emotional control. Your calm gaze while they become reactive makes them appear unstable while you appear unshakable. This contrast often causes aggressive people to back down without you saying a word. Professional applications in business settings. Eye contact mastery significantly enhances your influence and credibility. During presentations, strategic eye contact with key decision makers ensures your most important points land with maximum impact. In negotiations, the person who can maintain comfortable eye contact while discussing difficult topics often gains psychological advantage. They appear more confident in their position and less desperate for agreement. Job interviews become much more successful when you can project confidence and competence through appropriate eye contact. Interviewers unconsciously associate good eye contact with honesty, confidence, and leadership potential. During difficult conversations, maintaining respectful but steady eye contact demonstrates that you can handle challenging situations professionally. Social and romantic dynamics in social situations. Eye contact mastery makes you naturally more attractive and influential. People are drawn to those who can make appropriate eye contact because it suggests confidence and social intelligence. In romantic contexts, the ability to create and maintain eye contact during meaningful moments dramatically increases attraction and emotional connection. Eye contact creates intimacy that words alone cannot achieve. However, calibration must be perfect. Too little suggests disinterest or insecurity. Too much becomes aggressive or uncomfortable. The sweet spot is confident, warm eye contact that invites connection without creating pressure. Advanced technique West strategic pause with eye contact involves making a point, then maintaining eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds of silence. This allows your message to sink in while demonstrating confidence in what you've said. The acknowledgement look involves briefly making direct eye contact with each person in a group before beginning to speak. This ensures everyone feels included and gives you immediate psychological connection. The redirect technique uses a shift in eye contact to guide conversation flow. Looking away from someone who's dominating conversation while making eye contact with someone else naturally shifts speaking opportunities, common mistaketh. Most common mistake is inconsistent eye contact that appears nervous or uncertain. Constantly breaking and re-establishing contact suggests insecurity rather than confidence. Another mistake is using the same eye contact pattern with everyone regardless of context. Different situations and relationships require different approaches. Cultural differences significantly affect eye contact interpretation. What appears confident in one culture might seem disrespectful in another. Developing eye contact, confidence building comfortable. Confident eye contact requires practice and gradual development. Start with people you're comfortable with and gradually extend to more challenging situations. Practice making eye contact while listening, not just while speaking. Many people only focus on eye contact when they're talking, but break contact when others speak. Work on maintaining eye contact during uncomfortable moments rather than looking away when conversations become difficult or emotional. The ultimate visual power master eye contact psychology, and you'll discover that your entire social presence transforms. People begin treating you with more respect because your eye contact communicates confidence and strength. Your influence in every situation increases because you can guide interactions through visual cues rather than relying solely on words. True mastery creates a form of communication that transcends words. Your eyes become tools for establishing dominance, creating connection, and reading others with precision. In a world where most people either avoid eye contact from insecurity or use it aggressively from overcompensation, the person who masters strategic, confident eye contact commands attention and respect effortlessly. Your eyes are windows to your confidence, weapons for your influence, and tools for your success. Learn to use them strategically, and you'll control social dynamics without ever saying a word. T.